the most important English vocabularies about airport and traveling. In this playlist, you will learn these vocabularies. Video 1: Airport Terminology. Video 2: Travel Documents. Video 3: Transportation. Video 4: Flight Information. Video 5: Security and Safety. Video 6: Services and Facilities. Video 7: In-Flight Terms. Video 8: Travel Essentials. Video 9: Accommodation. Video 10: Directions and Transportation. In this video, we will use just these words: airport terminology, terminal, gate, boarding pass, security check, customs, baggage claim, departure lounge, arrivals area, check-in counter, immigration. Now just listen to this conversation carefully. Hey, have you found the check-in counter for our flight to Tokyo?
Yeah, it's in Terminal 3. Follow the signs, and you'll see the check-in counters on the right.
Thanks. I've got my boarding pass. Do we need to go through security check now?
Exactly. After checking in, head to the security check near the departure lounge. Make sure to have your boarding pass and ID out.
Got it. And after that?
Once through security, proceed to Gate 22. That's where our flight is departing from.
Perfect. Hey, after Tokyo, do we have to go through customs?
Yes, customs is in Tokyo upon arrival. They'll check our passports and ask a few questions. It's usually straightforward.
Good to know. By the way, where's the baggage claim in the Tokyo airport?
It's in the arrivals area, just follow the signs after clearing customs. They'll have screens indicating which carousel your luggage will be on.
Awesome. After we grab our bags, let's meet at the arrivals lounge. I heard there's a nice cafe there.
Sounds like a plan. And don't forget about immigration when we return. They'll check our passports before leaving Tokyo.
Right, got it. This trip is going to be amazing. Now we are going to analyze the vocabularies.
Remember to download the PDF file of this lesson, go to link in description. Terminal. A building at an airport divided into different sections, each serving as a hub for various airline departure and arrival activities. Terminals house check-in counters, security checkpoints, departure lounges, and other facilities.
Gate. A specific location at an airport from which passengers board or disembark from an aircraft. Gates are usually numbered and are associated with particular flights.
Boarding pass. A document provided to passengers after check-in, containing essential flight information such as the passenger's name, flight number, departure gate, and seat assignment. It serves as a pass for boarding the aircraft.
Security check. The process where passengers and their belongings are screened to ensure compliance with security regulations. This includes passing through metal detectors, having carry-on items scanned by X-ray machines, and sometimes undergoing additional checks.
Customs. The government agency responsible for regulating the import and export of goods and ensuring compliance with customs laws. In an airport context, customs officials may inspect passengers' belongings and ask questions to prevent the illegal transport of goods.
Baggage claim. The area in an airport where passengers collect their checked luggage after arriving at their destination. Luggage is typically placed on carousels, and passengers identify and retrieve their bags.
Departure lounge. A waiting area within an airport, usually located after security checks and before the departure gates. Passengers wait in departure lounges for their flights and may have access to amenities such as shops, restaurants, and seating areas.
Arrivals area. The section of the airport where passengers disembark and collect their belongings upon arriving at their destination. It includes facilities like customs, baggage claim, and often services for ground transportation.
Check-in counter. A designated area within the airport, usually found in the terminal, where passengers formally register for their flights, receive boarding passes, and check in their luggage.
Immigration. The process conducted by government officials to verify and record the entry or exit of individuals at international borders. In airports, immigration controls involve checking passports, visas, and other travel documents to ensure legal entry into the country.
To complete this section, watch the full airport vocabulary playlist videos.